Welcome back my dear students. Today in this video lecture we shall discuss the measures of central tendency or central averages. Average gives a single value which represents the entire set of data. For example, if we are calculating the per capita income, that means average income of any country, it represents the purchasing power of that country. Of this average is broadly classified in two categories. One is mathematical average and second is positional average. Mathematical average is further classified in three subcategories. The first one is arithmetic mean, second one is geometric mean and third one is harmonic mean. अब यहाँ पर ये चीज बहुत जरूरी समझना है कि हम एवरेज निकालने के लिए इतने सारे मेजर्स क्यों यूज करते हैं. इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस वी यूज्ड अरिथमेटिक मीन टू फाइंड आउट द एवरेज, but specifically geometric mean is used where we want to estimate the average rate of growth. For example, if we want to estimate the growth rate of GDP of India of last 10 years, then we must use geometric mean. Or if we want to estimate the average rate of return on investment, then we must use geometric mean. Then third one is harmonic mean. It is specifically used when per unit capacity is given. For example, if we want to estimate the average speed of car, that means kilometer per hour per unit capacity, then we must use the harmonic mean. This will give you the correct picture, correct average. Now we have another type of averages, that is positional average. In positional average we have two type of averages, median and mode. Median is a positional average, that means it gives the partition value. It divide the series in two equal part. ऐसे ही क्वार्टाइल्स भी हो सकते हैं, वो जो चार इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. परसेंटाइल्स भी हो सकते हैं. तो जो भी पार्टीशन वैल्यू से रिलेटेड होगा वो हम इस कैटेगरी में इंडिकेट करते हैं. Last one we have mode, which is the highest frequency item. So these are the 5 types of averages we use statistics to find out the correct averages. In the next video we shall discuss the calculation of